Hi folks, I want to briefly discuss why you should even buy a steamer in the first place. For years, when I started out in this business, there was no such thing as steam. I had a couple of scrub brushes, a bunch of microfiber towels, a bucket of water, and cars came out fine. They were clean, I had compressed air. I was able to get the job done with what I had. Once I got introduced to steam, however, my time decreased, my efficiency increased, the customers were very impressed with what I was doing, I was saving chemical, and more importantly, I was leaving the cars drier. So now that we're in wintertime, you don't want to leave a car soaking wet in the middle of winter because that's going to cause condensation, it's going to cause ice buildup on the inside of the window. And in the summertime, you don't want to leave a car wet for the same reasons that heat and humidity are going to cause mold and mildew. So we want to leave the cars dry, we want to do it faster, we want to charge more money, and we want to impress our customers. Why don't we look into steam?